Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use Wayfair View in Room. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Wayfair's View in Room feature lets you see how furniture and decor will look in your space using augmented reality. To do it, first head over and open up your Wayfair app. Now once you are here, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you are logged into your account, what you need to do is just simply find an item or search for the product on the search bar. Then what you need to do is, if it supports AR, you'll see a View in Room or 3D button. Simply tap on that and then allow camera access if prompted. Then point your phone at the floor or wall where you want to place the item. Then move and rotate the item to see how it fits in your space and walk around to view it from different angles. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon in the next one.